Weekly Market Update, Windsor, Essex, Ontario, comparing week May 12 to May 19. 685 listings, week May 12, 511 listings, week May 19. Houses sold, week May 12, 211, week May 19, 190. Percentage sold, week May 12, 30.80%. Percentage sold, May 19, 37.18%. Good news for homeowners and sellers. Sold percentage comparing May 12 to May 19 increased 6.38%. It's a good news for homeowners and sellers. For the percentage increase sold compared May 12 to May 19. Need help value for your house or free market evaluation? Call or text Cynthia today at 519-971-6229.